I will be discussing rounding numbers of math. So before we will be starting the rounding numbers questions, we will be first doing and discussing the important rules of rounding numbers. So I already have now is a 5. The 5 is the key number of rounding numbers. So if it is above 5, then you round up. If it is below 5, then you round down. So that is all of the rules of rounding numbers. Now we shall start on answering. So here's an example of rounding numbers is 6,054. So before we do this, we'll discuss the 3 main units of rounding numbers, which is 10, 100, 1,000. So to do this, we will first be doing this. Okay, 6,054. We need to round it to the nearest 10. Now, as we discussed in the rules before, that if it is above 5, then you round it up. If it is below 5, you round it down. So the number we will be underlining to work on is 4 right now. So to make this into 10 is we have to erase the 4 and make it 0 because 4 is below than 5. So the answer is 6,050. So we'll answer it there. 6,050. Okay. Now time to put it back to 54. So we can answer 100. So to round it to the nearest 100, we will underline this number 5. Now it is 5, not below or not above. So we will be able to make it into a 100. So erase this 54 and make it 6,100. So 6,100. So that and erasing this, make it 6,054. Now the last one is 1,000. So now 6,054, the number that we will be changing is 6. Now 6 is above 5, so of course we're gonna have to add it up to the nearest 1,000, which is 7,000. 7,000. And answer here, 7,000. So that is the rounding numbers, the multiples and units 10, 100, and 1,000 of 6,054. The answers of 10 is 6,050. The answers of 100 is 6,100, and the answers of 1,000 is 7,000. Now, for our the next question will be 1,345. So, the same units but different numbers. So, first we will round it to the nearest multiple of 10. So, 1,345, we will be underlining 5. Now, as we discussed before in the rules, 5 must be, if it is above 5, to be rounded up. So, the answer of this is 1,350. So, put this here, 1,350. And that is how we round it to 10. Now, time to change this back to its normal form, 1,345. Now, to round it to the nearest 100, we will be underlining 3. Now, 3 is below 5, so we'll be rounding it down. So, it will no longer be 100, 345. It will be 1,300. 1,300. brackets number 4, 1,350. Okay, now for our last question, to 1. So we round it to the nearest 1,000. So we will be underlining 1. Now, since this is very much below 5, we will be erasing this whole thing and making it 1,000. So the answer of this is 1,000. So that is how you round it again. So the answers of 1,345 when you round it to 10 is 1,350. If you round it to 100, it's 1,300. If you round it to 1,000, it's 1,000. So that will be it for today. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you learned something or a few about rounding numbers. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.